And welcome back to the Arm Rooster Woodshop. So today I'm going to be making a what I'm calling the ultimate Jeep gift. The number one seller or the number two seller on our Etsy shop is this Jeep dish that we make. As you can see here, the number one thing that we sell is this guitar dish that's really cool. It's engraved, personalized. But I wanted to step it up with the Jeep dish. So today I'm going to show you how I make the Jeep dish. I'm also going to make a decorative box for the Jeep dish, and then a keychain, a Jeep keychain that will go with it. You know, something to throw your keys into, and then so might as well have a keychain to go with it. Anyway, I'm going to be using this beautiful piece of sapele to make the dish. I have this full grain Argentinian leather. Got this at Tandy that I'm going to, it came in I have a huge piece of it, but this is just a cut off piece that I'm going to use to make the keychain. And then the box is going to be made out of a single piece of this. This is a red oak plywood with an MDF core. I'm going to cut this on the laser. I'm going to cut the keychain on the laser, and then hand stitch it. And then the sapele is going to be used on the CNC. And so you get to see the CNC used, the laser used, some hand stitching leather. And so I hope you like it. Stick around to the end and see pictures. Thanks. All right, guys, so this project is done. I really hope you like it. I love it. The box came out really cool, the Jeep logo with the mountains. Inside you got the Jeep, and this can be, you know, sitting in there as well if you were to give this to somebody as a gift. This will all be up on our Etsy shop. Check it out, armbrusterwoodshop.com will take you right to our Etsy shop. And you can buy this as in single pieces or as one complete gift. If somebody is a Jeep lover, they are for sure gonna love this as a gift. So check us out once again, armbrusterwoodshop.com. If there's anything you want to see us make, whether on the Glowforge, on the lathe, in the wood shop, let us know, and we'll try to do it. We got some really cool projects coming up. Making a purse for my wife out of leather, and some other really neat things. I don't want to give too much away. So anyway, if you want to know how I make the boxes, I'm also going to I'm going to be doing a thing called Glowforge Fridays, where I'm going to have different Glowforge projects. The first one's going to be how to make these boxes. They're super simple. And so check that out. I think you'll like it. All right, well, thanks for watching. Subscribe, like, share, all that good stuff. And we'll see you in the next one. Thanks.